Hey everybody, girl, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. I don't know what it is about the cut. I don't know if it's the symmetry or what, but a whole new personality came out of this bag when I put this thing on. I don't know who she is. Who is this? Because it wasn't Michelle. Y'all ready to get into it? Nadula bought the heat with this one. This is a drawstring wig. I love drawstring wigs. They are my favorite. You talking about pull on and go. You trying to leave the house in 10 minutes. These are the wigs for you. See the inside of this cap, all right? You see those pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked, already cut. The lace is 7x5, plenty of parting space. You have 2 adjustable straps on the back, 1 nape comb, this anti-slip silicone that's all around the base of the perimeter. Of course, your removable elastic stretchy band. My favorite part, drawstring. All right, so you see this larger nodule? This is what it looked like, y'all. You just pull it, and I pull mine tight. I do because I like to make sure that that thing is secure. Once it's adjusted to fit my head perfectly and comfortably, I go ahead and move that little piece down there, and it is locked in. It don't move. All right, she is not going anywhere. Tried and true, tested, okay? Believe me. So I don't have anything going on under this bonnet but this wig cap. I used a little bit of my DIY wig tint on my wig cap and on the inside of the wig. I made sure I adjusted everything to fit me snugly, and I'm gonna plop it on. Boom, just like that. I'm telling you, it's that simple. Once you tighten that drawstring, you're good to go. You have a lot of parting space. I'm showing you where it lies on my head. So you can see the lace now, but I promise you we're gonna get rid of that with a little bit of mousse. I'm using my favorite mousse, the Dew. This is my baby. I'm gonna clip this hair up on out my face, and then I'm gonna engage this drawstring. And yes, ma'am, I like to pull my drawstring tight, okay? We wanna make sure that we are secure. We have PTSD. After you do that, it is on. That thing is comfortable on my head, and it is secured. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna customize this wig so that it becomes my own. So I'm going to give myself a side part because I feel like I got a side part face. Now see if you can spot the exact moment when this wig seeped into my head and gave me a whole new personality. I decided I was gonna add some baby hairs. So I'm cutting the hair so I can add some baby hairs, and I'm gonna make that come to life with some mousse. And then I'm gonna use that elastic band to melt that all in. So in styling this wig, I use a lot of heat, so I'm gonna use some heat protectant.
When I saw you over there, I wasn't sure. Now feeling something I haven't before.
The first style we're going for is straight, okay? We want severity.
Balance now, no black and white. If you keep this up, then I'll stay the night.
You said what? Huh? Michelle who? What? Somebody call me?
I can see the key.
Anytime somebody called my name for the rest of the day, that's how I was whipping my head back and forth. Best part about it, absolutely glueless. So I had a lot of fun with it straight, but now of course I'm gonna add curls because I'm a curly girl. I love curls. But before I do that, I wanted to see what it would look like with the middle part. So that's what it looked like, y'all. Back to side parts. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna curl all of my hair. I'm going to make sure that those curls go to the back. I'm actually gonna utilize some thermal rollers because I want a soft curl. There is nothing worse than putting hard, crispy curls in a bob. You don't want that, it'll mess the whole look up. So we want soft and flowy, so that's what I'm going for. We're all done. I'm gonna go ahead and get changed. Va-va-voom. Stop it. You know what I'm saying? This bob is so much fun. I played so much. I had so much fun wearing this. I'm taking all my curls out. As you can see, that curl is really soft, okay? Really feminine and flowy. Those thermal rollers gave polish.
You and me, you know we got it. Chemistry.
And I don't even know what happened. I hit the wrong button or something. Some of this footage came out blurry. My bad for the blurry shots.
Let's unravel this some more for the tension in the air. Every glance ignites a fire, a secret we
But once you style that hair right, girl, you better lock it in with some hairspray. Perfect summer bob. I'm telling y'all, I had so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Nadula Hair, for sending me this beautiful bob. Huh? What'd you say? No, I'm kidding.
like it's supersonic.
I love you guys. I'll talk to y'all later.